What is up, guys? We are going to be swapping out this beautiful Tesla screen. Love the carbon fiber, but we're going to be going through. We're going to need to remove the shift knob and this center console piece. First thing you need to do is pull this clip off. Don't lose it. Then just pull up on that gear shifter, pulls right out. And then this whole section needs to come out. There's just a couple clips along the edge, super easy to just pull out. You are going to have to pull the gear shifter back. So you'll need to either put it into ignition or accessory mode or use the shift lock button underneath just so you can get that back, so it gives you a little bit of extra room to pull that out. You need to pull this lower dash piece out as well. It is super easy, just 2 clips, pull down. Obviously all your parts are going to look a little bit different than these specifically. Once you pull that out, go ahead and move this up. Like I said, you will need to move the gear shifter just to give yourself a little extra room here. And then there's going to be 2 clips underneath. We have a USB, so we'll have to move that out. There's also the 12-volt cigarette lighter that we'll have to pull out. And then you'll have your gear shift selector switch as well that's underneath that you're going to need to remove as well. Awesome, so next we need to remove the radio. This is not a factory radio, so this only has 2 screws at the bottom and then it literally just pulls right out. Super easy, 1 and 2. If you have a factory radio, check online on how to remove that. Once you pull this out, you need to disconnect all your cables so we can get ready for the wiring harness. Time to wire up the new unit. This has a couple different harnesses. You just need to match plugs based upon pin number and size. There are a few specific ones that you'll need to match based upon your year, make, and model. Other than that, match your plugs, get them plugged in, and then we'll get the harness routed and ready to get our unit plugged in so we can get it tested before mounting it in there. Awesome, let's go ahead and get the radio just kind of lightly put in there. We're gonna get all the plugs put in, run a test run on it, make sure everything works before we get it fully mounted in there. We also need to move over vents. Those are super easy. They are just clipped in, so you just need a little pick or screwdriver, pop those out from your OEM bezel or from your aftermarket bezel, and they just clipped into the new ones. And then clips and plugs on these, they are all different sizes. Match the size to the hole in the back of the radio, plug it in, and we're just going to set it in place and get this tested. Awesome, after that test fit, we went ahead and fully installed now, just those 2 bolts. Do not forget your vents. We did not show those, but again, super easy, just a couple clips to get those in and out. The fit and finish on this is fantastic. It's just inverse to put everything back in. We've still got to get some lighting and stuff on the sides here, so we're gonna get that finished up, but it is good to go.